Hello everyone. This is the walkthrough for week 6 in computer programming. Now, this week we have effectively just a couple things to go over. We're still going to continue with if statements and things like that. For the most part, I've got a little psychic guessing game that involves some random number generation and, of course, some if statements. We have a little book assignment where you would go through the book and just like in the previous chapter, we would go through and I've got a couple of places where I want you to copy those programs down and submit them here. So effectively for that, you would go in to the, like three, whatever it happens to be, whatever the notation are. I think I have three programs here. Go to that section. There's a program there. Write it out. Run it. And then you can just space down and put the next program underneath that. And you're going to submit those three programs here, just to show that you've run them and you've played with them. The big thing this week, though, would be the programming assignment. We have a password checker, which I talk a little bit about here. And that's going to involve just some basic if statements, if, elif, else, uh, and of course user input. You are going to basically type in, what it's just passwords. So you're just going to type in one of the accepted passwords. If it's one of those, it'll say hurrah. If it isn't, it will give you kind of an error display. I go into more detail in the introduction here. So that is what you have to do this week. Make sure, just like with all weeks, when I have a programming thing that I'm walking you through, that you're also writing that code along with it. And of course, if you get stuck on anything or you have some questions or something, be sure to please let me know and I will do what I can to help you out. You're also welcome to drop by my office anytime, provided I have office hours and whatnot. And if I'm teaching during a normal semester, you can also come to my classes if you want to pop by and ask any questions. But that is your walkthrough on what to do during week 6. As always, like I said before, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, have a good week.